Well, hello, Reese Puffer instructors. What a privilege to be able to interact with you. I'm Dr. Deanna Bird. I'm the Vice President for Academics, the Chief Academic Officer with Baker College of Muskegon. And I've been invited to talk with you all a little bit about your citizenship the RP way. And I want to talk about citizenship the RP way, both from my professional area in my interactions with both teachers here at Baker College, with our advisory boards, with the community at large, but I also want to speak from the heart of a mom. I'm Mark and Ariana Bird's mom, and so I was so excited when I came to the orientation or open house this past fall and learned about that you would be having the privilege to talk to my children and to the other children of Reese Puffer about some things that are really important life skills. So I'm hoping that through this conversation we'll have some time for me to affirm this really important work that you're doing, both from the standpoint of a mom that supports you, but also from a fellow educator that understands the value of what you're doing every day, with our students. So grateful for everything that you bring to the classroom, all your experiences, and the heart and the passion that I know that teachers have. So let's talk a little bit about my perspective. I'll start first from my home, being a mom of your students there, and understanding how important it is for me to have those conversations in my household with my own children. But I felt really excited that somebody else would back me up, and so you have this opportunity to be able to also not only talk to my students, but to talk with other students about the importance of attendance and punctuality and time management, the quality of the work they do, pouring their hearts into things they have to do, as well as respect for themselves and for other people. When we think about life skills, these are basic necessities in life. If we hope or have any prayer that we can have our students to be ready for careers outside of my home, because one day they're going to be your graduates, and all the things that we invest in them now is what we have to hope for that they'll be able to demonstrate when they're on their own. So do I want my children to be respectful? Show that in terms of how they dress, behave, how they talk, about themselves, about other people? Absolutely. Do I want my children to understand how to manage their time and to see the work that they do as a reflection of who they are? Absolutely. So you have my support there as well. Do I want my children to learn that it's important that when you make a commitment that you stick to it, that you're there, you're on time? Absolutely. And these are basic things that any person should want for their own children. So let's translate that now in the context of a profession. Because see, Baker College's mission is to prepare our graduates for strong and rewarding careers. We want them to be able to be employable in the end. So much so that there are institutional learning outcomes that we have established. So no matter what program a student chooses at Baker College, all of our graduates will be able to demonstrate, for example, career-ready knowledge skills. The things that we just talked about are career-ready knowledge skills. We also want them to have and develop attitudes and behaviors that promote success in the workplace and are effective social interactions with diverse people. So what is your role? You certainly, every day, you interact with those students. You shape how they understand the world around them. You have the opportunity to shape how they even see themselves. To me, that's one of the greatest gifts that we have as educators, is that we can translate and reshape and reframe for our students a different way of looking at themselves, a different way of looking at their interactions with other people. As you know, even maybe better than I do, our students have a variety of experiences, and so some of them have not had those positive images before them every day. Yet they come to your classroom and you have the opportunity. They come in the office for the staff and you interact with them, you validate, you support them, you demonstrate for them these things in terms of respect, punctuality, all of the different things you have a chance to role model for them. So I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you as a fellow educator. Thank you as a mother of two Reese Puffer students. I want you to know that I am behind you. I support everything you're doing. I understand the value of what you bring. As fellow colleagues in the area of academics, it is a privilege to be able to call you my colleagues and to understand that you're working just as hard as we are at Baker College to prepare these students to have career-ready opportunities where they can flourish in the end. Thank you.